Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fade audio on the KineMaster video editing app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the KineMaster application on your device. And once you open it up, after a while it will be loaded and you will be taken into the new project as well as your recent projects page. You can tap on any of your old projects or create a new one to start editing right away. Now, whenever you are editing your project, you can use the media section as well as the audio option in order to import any audio within your project. Once you find any audio that you would like to use, tap on the plus icon and it will now be added onto your timeline. You can now close this menu and now tap on the empty part of your timeline. Now from here, tap on settings and now within the audio section, you will see the audio fade in section. You can tap on the toggle button in order to turn it on and then choose the fade in timer. You can define the timer for the fade in for the starting as well as the end. Just enable both these options and then choose your desired audio fade in as well as fade out duration. After choosing your options, you can now close this page as well and now tap on the play button to preview your audio. You will now notice that the fade in as well as fade out effects have been applied to your edit right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fade your audios within the KineMaster editing app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.